land. But Amhara don't understand what I'm saying here. So what happened after that? They support Abiy. They preaching shit, and Abiy tried kill Amharas. He did. Still now Abiy Ahmed killing Amhara. Look, diaspora. Diaspora for me, they are Lamebora. They don't know about anything. Look, the last 2 weeks, especially the so-called Adonai, they support, but the Gurage people leading that, especially people in the MV, they preaching about Adonai, they are Gurages. But I love Gurage people. They are hard workers. They are not represent Gurages, but I'm saying they are Gurages. They came from Gurage. They deceive our people in the name of religion, in the name of like restaurant, in the name of politics. They do a lot of shit, but they try to grab money. The MV area, the whole people don't understand what's going on there, including the Haile Selassie grandchildren. Shame on you, Prince Hermes. Do you know Adonai? You don't know him. He teach Ethiopian small kids about Sega, about sex in Ethiopian culture. If you go to Ethiopia, especially if you are Orthodox Christian, even Muslims, no one can do sex during 4th grade. Prince Hermes, do you know this? The celebrity priest, Zabana Lemma, do you know that? You heard about that, you guys? I know. The circle, I know that circle, including the richer person who invite Abiy Ahmed during when he came to power, and he paid everything $1 million all over the state. That guy is from Gurage, and is still working with Abiy. They dismantle Orthodox, especially St. Jibril Church in DC, and he opened his own church. You see, guys, how they deceive people in the name of religion. The so-called papas, if you see down there, that OLF, the ONG, they are Shabas and Wayanis. They're working together, but they deceive Amaras. They're playing game, my brother. Okay. Wrap up with within 2 minutes, my brother. Go ahead. You hear me? 1 cent? You guys, you hear me, you guys? 1 cent. You hear me?
Yeah, okay. Yes, I am hearing you.
You
Can I
hear me?
continue?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Wrap up within 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay. The next one that I want to just raise here is there is some deceiver, so-called Teddy Afro. He's gonna have another album waiting for the election. How do you say? What do you say about that?
Theodorus Kasaun. By the way, he's not, by blood, he's not Amara. You see, during TPLF regime, people think Theodorus Kasauni was a fighter, freedom fighter. He's not. Look at it, guys. Theodorus is still alive. The STV is still alive. In the name of soccer or football, the people like, they watch TV, especially the STV. The Tigrayans bring that type of politics, and they give green leaf or the so-called chat. The especially Addis Ababa uses, they try to eating chat and drinking draft. They don't care about politics. Look, they're hearing Theodoros music. But Theodoros is not a freedom fighter. If he is freedom fighter, why he not die? If you remember, you guys, in Debre Marcos, Syria, the Blue Party, a leader. Do you remember the guy, Blue Party leader? Samuel Awoka. He was a lawyer. Lawyer Samuel Awoka killed by TPLF at night. But Damaka Zaudu and Theodoros Kasaun and Haftama Yalo All are alive. No one died. Because Samuel, he was Amhara, real Amhara. And he wrote something about TPLF Adwa Tigray, something, a title. But they don't like that and they kill him. What about Yoros Kasaun? Why he not die? Because his grandmom, from his mom, she is from Adwa. Tigrayanis, they know their blood. Amhara, they don't know their blood. That's why the problem. If one Tigray going to somewhere, especially Tigrayanis, they live in Ethiopia, the whole Ethiopia, but they know the language, the whole ethnic groups. If one Tigray living in Oromia region, they can speak Oromifa. Look, they are smart, but they working for Tigray. Look, Amara, even we cannot contribute nothing to our people. So, Teddy Afro, he is not a politician. He don't like Amara. If you see his songs, he preaching about Oromo as a nation, Tigray as a nation, Gurage as a nation. When it comes to Amara, he say Gojam, Gondar, blah, blah. He is one of enemy of Amara. So, Theodoros Kasaun, he's a wealthy person now because of Amara. Even Amara doctors, they support him because they hate their own culture. Amara doctors, special 99.9, and how he get visa? How he get visa? Because Abiy did that. Because he have diplomatic passport. That's why nobody asking him. And he already came to US. You see, he hate America. But now he love America because he tried grabbing money. That's only the sake of money, man. So my brother one thing, you already told us the right way. You right. And just wrap up and just continue with Lula, so-called Lula, my sister, and she continue. Go ahead, my brother.
Okay, so that I really recommend every followers of Mota King Mota Garanium. Everybody gotta be starting to be what you call it, critical thinker. Be critical thinker. Question things. Simply don't be fooled by anyone else from any parts of the world, any parts of Ethiopia. If he says something about Ethiopia, being Ethiopian, don't trust him. Try to ask why, how. WH questions should be asked in the first place, so that you can just become to civilized one, just those of what? European countries and Americans as well. So please stop being traditional society. Okay. Please you gotta stop being traditional society. You don't trust what you see. Come on. You have to just trust what you see in the first place, everybody. Come on. Thank you very much. Please begin.
Thank you, my brother, one thing. In
Thank
addition, as Ethiopian Amhara, I know you love your country, you love your religion Orthodox, especially Amhara people they follow Orthodox. Absolutely, we love Orthodox too. But it's Orthodox controlled by the king family and Shabia and Wayan. I'm telling you, Amharas, don't help those bitches. So, to tell the truth, I am a critical thinker. I'm not jealousy. I'm trying to save Ethiopian people, especially Amhara people. They don't know about politics. Almost they kick them off from Ethiopian politics the last 100 years. That's why Ethiopian Amhara, they don't care about politics. You see? That's why I'm preaching here. I'm telling the truth. I'm trying to expose those criminal people. So please follow us. Please listen us, especially if you're born in America and Europe. I know you cannot speak English, Amharic well, so that's why we try to speak out our thought in English, because English is not my first language. Anyways, it's not my mother tongue. I'm trying to explain, or I'm trying to express my idea in English. It's not my first language. I have beautiful language, Amharic. So you have to follow us. You have to listen us. You have to practice your freedom, because they grabbing money in the name of religion, especially Orthodox. Orthodox Christian Maharas, you have to wake up. Don't spend your money for those beaches. There are many grabbers. I'm really telling you, 100% sure. Most of the Ethiopians, especially Mahara people, they don't want the new perspective. They don't like science and technology. Tigranis, they bring a lot of shit. They say, this is holy water. You have to drink. That's not holy water. Why you care about Macedonia? Why you care about her to hurt? We don't care. We are Mahara. We as a people, we got genocide. We got displacement. We don't have any right in Ethiopia. That's why we have to organize as Amhara to fight back those enemies. Kati Lula, salam. Lula. ለምን ትፈራላችሁ? አንድ ሰው ለ10 ሰው ሸርግ ታብታብ አድርግ። አንተ ሌባውን ትግሬ ስለተነካብት እንጨረጨራል። አሁን መቀመጫችሁን አፈንድዳችሁ የተገኛችሁ ብዙ አማራዎች አላችሁ። የትግሬ አድናቂ፣ የኦሮሞ አድናቂ፣ በራሳችሁ ቁማችሁ መታገል የማትችሉ ድኩማኖች ናችሁ ነው የምልህ። ዌክ አፕ ነው የምልህ። ዲያስፖራዎች ማንም አንተን ሊያነቃቃ አይችልም። ቢልህን ክፈልልኝ በለው። የአባቱ ገንዘብ አለ። ይልቅ ቢል ክፈልልን አዶናይ በሉት። ይሄ አንድ ተራ ሰው ደግሞ ሊያወዛግበን አይገባም። ሂዝ ሃይፐር ኮይን ነው። ሂዝ ብራንድ ሰገጤ ነው። ሂ ትራይ ቱ ዲሲቭ ፒፕል ቱ ግራብ መኒ። እኔ ስለ አዶናይ እኮ ያገባንም። እኛ እያልን ያለ ነው የአዶናይ ስግጥና ሰግጥ ብሎ የመጣው ሰግጥ ማለት አጥብቅ፣ ሸንጉር ሸጉር ማለት ነው። እንደ በር ትግራዋይ ተባበር ማለት ነው። ደደቡ አማራ ግን አይገባው። እኛ እያልን ያለ ነው መቄዶንያ ያንተ መግደያ ነው። አብይ አህመድ ድሮን የሚገዛበትና የሚታጠቅበት ነው። አሁን ገና ሊመጡላችሁ ነው። እኔ የገረመኝ መቄዶንያ ላይቭ ገብቶ 700 ሰው ነበር የሚያየው። አዶናይ ግን ሙዚቃ ከፍቶ 13,000 ይመለከተው ነበር። ሉክ ኢትዮጵያን ፒፕል ዋን ሴንት how they are idiots. If you love Macedonia, I don't like Macedonia because it's established by Debretsion in 2002. Go check it out. Now Abiy Ahmed uses that Macedonia by grabbing money, $1 million from diasporas to buy drones, to kill Amharas, to dismantle Amhara people. That's why Amhara must save your money. I'm preaching here. I'm telling the truth. Look, if you remember Adonai, he wasn't live. When you streaming, when he was live streaming, 14,000 people saw it. If you see Macedonia, Binyam was like starting live. And I saw 700 people only. You see Ethiopian people? እኔ እኮ የሚገርም ነው። መቄዶንያ የዝርፊያ ድርጅት ነው፣ ትግሬ ነው ብያለሁ። ግን እንደ እውነት ከሆነ መቄዶንያ 700 ሰዎች ብቻ መመልከት ነበረበት። ማስተርፒስ አዶናይ የተባለ መሀይም 13,000 መመልከት ነበረበት። ይሄ ትግሬዎች እንደ ቴዎድሮስ አድሃኖም ገንዘብ እየከፈሉ ለአፍሪካ ሊደሮች የዓለም የጤና መሪ አድርገው እኛን ተጫወተበት። ለትግሬዎች ድምፅ ሆነ። እኛን ጨፍጭፈውን ትግሬዎች ትግሬ ተጨፈጨፈ ብሎ ነው የተናገረው። ዳስ ናት ትሩ። አማራ ትግራይ መሬት ሂዶ አንድን የትግራይ ወጣት አልደፈረም፣ አልገደለም። ትግሬዎች ግን መረብ ወንዝን ተሻግረው አማራን ጨፍጭፈዋል። ለምን ተጠቀሙበት ያን ስትል ዘይ አር ስማርትስ። እኔ ትግሬ አልጠላ፣ ስማርት ናቸው። አሁንም አዶናይን ዓለም አቀፍ ሰው ለማድረግ ነው ይሄን ሁሉ ገንዘብ የሚከፍለው ራሱ ህወሓት ነው። ልጁ ድሃ ነው፣ ምንም የለውም። ይሄን ደግሞ እኛ ገንዘባችን አንበል አንከተል። ትግሬዎች እኔ አዶናይ ሂዝ ያንግ ገና እኮ 30 ዓመት አልሞላውም። እኔ ስለ አዶናይ ምቀኝነት የለኝም። አዶናይ እኛን የሚሰብክ ሰው አይደለም። አዶናይ አቅም የለውም፣ አልተማረም። አዶናይ ሂዝ ያንግ ነው፣ እየተጠቀሙበት ነው እያልኩ ያለው። አዶናይ እኮ እንደ እውነቱ 5 ዓመት አልሞላውም መሰል። ሂዝ ያንግ ሂዝ ቬሪ ያንግ ጋይ፣ ያንግ ቦይ ነው። እኔ የአዶናይ ችግር አይደለም የምነግራችሁ፣ የህወሓትን ከጀርባው ያሉ ትግሬዎችን ነው። በዙሪያው አሁን አነቃቂያችን ነው እጂው ንጉሳችን ነው የሚሉ አዶናይ የሚባልን ትንሽ ገና ወጣት ልጅ ሊጠቀሙበት ስለፈለጉ የአዶናይን ማነር ደግሞ ወደኋላ ሄዳችሁ ብታዩ ምንም የተበላሸ ህይወት ነው ያለው። እኔ ከዚያ ህይወት መውጣቱ እግዚአብሔር መርዳቱ አንበር ሀብ እናቱ ሄዳችሁ ይዋል ከአማራ ጥላቻው የተነሳ አማርኛ አትናገሩ። የማን ያዘዋል የሚባለውን አንበሳው ነው ጠው የሚለው ልጅ ኤርትራዊ ነው። እናቱ በፍጹም አማርኛ መናገር አችልም። ሻቢያ ኤርትራዊና ትግርኛ ብቻ የምትናገሩ። ይህንን እያየህ አማራ አትጃጃል። የአማራ ህዝብ በተለይ ኢትዮጵያዊ በተለይ አትጃጃሉ። ቁጥራችን ብዙ ነው። ኢትዮጵያን የሰራን እኛን ምናምን እንላለን፣ ንጉሶች እንላለን። ምን አባት ከና አትረዳም። አሁን አዶናይን ሰቅለው 20 ሚሊዮን ሰው ከተከተለው በኋላ ወደ አማራ ይዞርና ትግራይ ተገደለ ይላል። ባለፈውም እየቀሰቀሰ ነበር የትግራይ እናት ጦርነት አያስፈልጋትም ይላል። እውነተኛ ቢሆን ኖሮ አዶናይ 19 ሚሊዮን ብር ተሰብስቦ ለማን ነው የሰጠው? ለአብይ አህመድ ነው የሰጠው። ሂዳችሁ ይሁ ለትግራይ የተራበች እናት አላደረሰው። ጆን ዳንኤልን ተመልከቱ። ያን ሁሉ ገንዘብ በሚሊዮን ሰብስቦ ለኦሮሚያ ውሃ ልማት ነው ውሃን ያስቆፈረበት። ይህ አይጋጭም ወይ? እነዚህ ልጆች የሚሰሩት ከአብይ ጋር ነው። አብይ ደግሞ ወያኔ ነው። አብይ ቲፒኤልኤፍ ነው። አማራን እኮ ለቲፒኤልኤፍ አግዞ እኮ ነው ጠመንጃ ተዋርዳለ ብሎ ፕሪቶሪያ ላይ ሄዶ ከነደብረ ጽዮን ጋር ከትግሬዎች ጋር ተሳስሮ ተፈራርሞ ስለመጣ ለነሱ ደግፎ እኮ ነው ትግሬዎችን ደግፎ እየገደለ ነው ያለ እየጨፈጨፈ ነው ያለ። እኔ እያልኩ ያለሁት ይሄ ንቃ ነው። ንቃ ብሏል ቴድዮ ይላል። ንቃ ይላል። ሉላ ቀጥይ።
ልቀጥል
ተናገርሽ ትወርጃለሽ።
እኔ ልቀጥል ወይ?
ሉላ መጣለች በወረፋ።
እኔ በመጀመሪያ ደረጃ ጸጉርህን ያስተካከለህን ሰው በጣም ነው ማደንቀው። በቃ ቆንጆ ያው እስኪ ተመልከተው። በጣም 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 እውነት
ዋው አይ ላቭ ኢት
ሞትሽ ሞት አልተቻለም ጋይስ ስታክ አድርጓል። እስቲ ዛሬ ሞር ኔጌቲቭ አክቹዋሊ ኔጌቲቭ የሚመስል ግን ላይክ ፋክት የተናገረ ነው። የግል የሆነ ጥላቻ የለኝም ያለ ግን ላይክ ልጅ ስለሆነ የአዶናይ ሞቲቬሽን መቀበል አቅቶታል። እንግዲህ ጋይስ ቢያቅተውም ግን he's talking about Adonai, he's sharing about so guys like he's doing good. እስከ 3 ሰዓት እስከ 4 ሰዓት አሁን ጋር ያወራ እና እዚህ ሚዲያ ላይ የተወሰኑ ሰዓታትን እናንተ ጋር በመቆየት ይሄኛውን እንትኑ እስኪቀጥል ድረስ እንትን አስደርጋችኋለሁ። ቢያንስ አትሊስት ስለሚቀጥል